What if I told you ChatGPT might be able to make real money with meme coins just by uploading chart screenshots? Well, today I'm putting that theory to the test. I've loaded up my wallet with one Solana and I've got ChatGPT and Claude on standby. I'll be searching for coins in real time, uploading the chart screenshots and letting AI decide if they're worth buying. I am making 3 trades, one coin picked by ChatGPT, one picked by Claude, and then one coin traded completely by myself using my normal trading strategy with zero AI help. And at the end I'm comparing all 3 trades head to head to see who's actually better, ChatGPT, Claude, or Vladify. I came up with this prompt that I'm going to be using for both ChatGPT and Claude to make sure that the experiment is fair. And about the risks involved, guys, remember that this is just an experiment and not financial advice. ChatGPT quickly explained how it's going to analyze every coin. It agreed to our terms. It's going to analyze the chart structures, early parabolas or late parabolas or on-time parabolas. It's also going to analyze liquidity and market cap context and narrative and socials as we asked. And we will always get a final decision of whether to buy it or not and ideal market cap entry and exit positions. That's the first coin screenshot taken, and let's see what ChatGPT has got to say. Okay, market cap 35.9, still early enough. Liquidity small but sufficient for tiny entries. A sell target would be 80 to 120k. So the conclusion is yes, that's all I need to know. I'm going to invest 0.25 Sol. Let's see how it goes. I think 80k or 120k for a coin like this in the current market conditions is a bit too extreme. I might not listen to ChatGPT in this case. Okay, the volume on this coin is dropping. I'm gonna quickly sell everything before I start losing money.
A few moments later.
What the fuck am I seeing? I just said that the coin doesn't have a chance, this coin doesn't have a chance to go to 80k. I sold for like $4. Now the coin is at 60k. Man, ChatGPT knew everything. ChatGPT knew everything in advance. Who am I not to listen to ChatGPT's instructions? Yo, it's almost at like 80k or 85k. No, 90k. This is either a very entertaining coincidence or ChatGPT actually knows how to trade meme coins. I think it's going to be fair to give ChatGPT one more chance. I was supposed to do only one trade, but let's do an exception for this amazing performance. And I think I fumbled on this one because I'm used to making research. I'm used to doing my own research all the time. And I wasn't even sure what the coin is. STF, smoking turkey fish. Now let's find a second challenge for ChatGPT and see if it was just a coincidence, just an accident, or if ChatGPT actually knows something that we normal traders don't. I found a Sarah coin. Let's take a screenshot and feed it into our meme coin guru. Bro, if it does well on this coin, I will reconsider my career path. ChatGPT is against the Sarah coin, and I just think that ChatGPT is mad at me. I think it's not gonna approve anything now. It says that the structure is breaking down, small liquidity and too many holders for the 10k market cap. Let's just add this coin to the watch list to see how it performs in the future, just out of interest.
A few moments later.
As you can see from the screenshot, I found it at 10,000 market cap and it ended up reaching 500,000. That is 50x. But we're not here to cry. We're not here to say if. We're not here to say but. We're here to make money. So let's try to make all of our money back with Claude. All right, I've just inputted our prompt into Claude. And to be honest, I have much more belief in Claude than ChatGPT in the first place. I personally think that ChatGPT is great for creativity, but for structured analysis, Claude is unbeatable. Claude agreed to our conditions, and now let's put it to the test. Here comes the screenshot. And the verdict is no. Pretty much it says that the coin is overbought, and at the moment, at the current market cap, it's not worth the risk. Unfortunately, I have to blur this coin because this coin is a little bit inappropriate, but it's picking up some buys and volume, so let's see what Claude has got to say about it. Yes, Claude approves this coin. It seems that Claude likes inappropriate coins. I invested 0.3 Sol, and let's see how it goes. So that is the selling strategy that it recommends. It recommends selling 50% at 35, 30 at 45, and the final 20 at 55. All right, let's wait for 35k now. It's almost at 35k. Let's wait. Yes. Boom. Okay. Why am I happy? I just lost $5. The second step was 45k and the coin is now at 40k. Okay, it's at 43. It's not looking good. It is not looking good. Should I ask Claude what to do now? To be honest with you guys, I think this coin is cooked. It's at 13k. I'm gonna send another screenshot to ask Claude for permission to sell. Accept the L. Thank you, Claude. Thank you. So, ChatGPT gave me a nice play. However, it made me miss a 50x. Claude, I'm not even gonna talk about Claude. I have 0.6 Solana left in my wallet and now I'm trading completely by myself. And a quick note, any profit that I will secure from now on will go straight to one of you. Let's make our money back. Boom, 0.5 Sol in. Our first coin of the day is Click. The volume is alright, the token info is looking organic, and the whole community and the creator, they look pretty good. We're starting to get some action here. At the moment, we already made $20. $30. Let's play it safe and sell 50%. We made 0.3 back and now we're playing almost with house money. I always tell you guys to trade like this. As soon as you secure a little bit of profit, your emotions go away and the whole trading process just becomes more fun and efficient. Alright, the coin is not really performing. I'm gonna sell the rest. After having invested $69, we just made $13 in 2 minutes. And you may say, but you could have sold in the first peak. Yes, but this is called risk management, and in the long run this will make you much more money. I just invested 0.2 Solana into this polycoin, and it's about a dog that apparently blesses other dogs. I decided to buy this coin because I saw this dog picture on crypto Twitter like 100 times. Alright, let's sell it. Pretty good trade. Only risk 0.2 Sol, profit 0.2 Sol, almost 100% PNL. In 2 minutes we made $25. And I think it's pretty easy to understand that trading by yourself is much better than trading with AI. I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye.